Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Rebecca, Becky, Bex, however you want to call me. In today's video, I'm going to be trying on two mascaras. I'm going to be trying on two Benefit mascaras. Now, I know with this one, this is an oldie but a goodie. This is the They're Real mascara. I know this one's a really good mascara. And then this one is the Bad Girl Bang mascara, and this is their sort of their newish mascara. Yeah, I'd say newish mascara. And this just hit the charts really quickly. This mascara became really popular. So I thought to myself, which one is better? So I thought I'd try one mascara on each eye and see which one is my favourite and see which one I think is better. So which one's got the best curl, which one's got the best volume. So yeah, I'm going to find out for myself which mascara is the best. So if you guys are going to enjoy this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to hit that notification bell and share this video with your friends, whoever likes makeup. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Link is in the description bar below. So let's get started by trying on the two Benefit mascaras. I just brought you guys a little bit closer so we can try on the mascaras. I'm not used to filming front way, so I'm hoping you guys can still see me. This is just a personal preference video, so just because I prefer one to the other doesn't mean that it's not your favorite. So you guys might prefer this one to this one over me, so this is just a personal preference, so please don't take this to heart. I think I'm gonna try this one first. So this one is the Bad Girl Bang mascara, bigger, badder volume mascara. So this one is meant to be based volume wise. This is a volumizing mascara, and it's got a plastic brush, so it's sort of like a little tree. So you've got a thin bit at the end, and then you've got it going going really small, then it goes a little bit bigger as you go up. So I'm going to try the Bad Girl Bang on this eye and the They're Real mascara on this side, so the one where my bow is. So I am just going to apply this mascara and see what I think. Oh wow, okay. Right, yes, this, when it said it's volume, this is volume. Okay, can you guys see that? Oh my god, oh. Transferred it on the lid. My goodness. This is sort of like a wet formula. I've not tried this mascara before, but this one is definitely more wet. Okay, I'm not going to apply a second coat or third coat because this is building up quite big as it is. And I'm going to wait for that side to dry and see how it builds up while it's dry. Because I can just tell from the formula that it's just going to be a little bit more buildable. So I'm going to apply this under the lower lashes. Okay, well this certainly has got my lower lashes really well. Yeah, this is grabbing the lower lashes really well. Okay, so far I'm very impressed with this mascara. I'm just going to wait for it to dry just to see how they build up, because I can tell from the formula that I can build this up while it's wet. So I'm going to wait for it to dry, see how it applies dry. So right, let's try the other one. So this is the Benefit They're Real mascara. This mascara is an oldie but a goodie. Even I had this mascara like way back in the day, and this was a really good mascara. So we are going to see how this one goes on. So this one is also a plastic bristle brush as well as the Bad Girl Bang mascara. But this one's a little bit, this is a lot more spiky than the other one. And you've got like a little spiky end to it. So this one's a lot more spiky than the other one. So let's apply this one on the other eye. I'd say be careful with this mascara because my eye keeps catching on that end bit there. So I'd say be a little bit careful when you're applying this mascara. Okay, judging from the difference, this mascara is definitely more on the lengthening side. Yeah, this one is definitely more lengthening. Definitely this is more length. This side is definitely more volume than that side. Okay. Right, I'm gonna apply this on the lower lashes now and see how I can do that. Yeah, this has made my lower lashes a lot more longer than this side. Alright guys, so I think this side has now dried now. So I'm going to go back in with that Bago Bang mascara and I'm going to see how this layers up. Okay, this mascara is definitely picking up length. It is definitely catching up. I'm not going to overdo it because I can just sort of know and feel that it's going to start to go clumpy and crunchy. So I'm not going to build this mascara anymore. So I'm going to add a bit more to the lower lashes now. Just sort of even up the top bit. Right, I think that other eye has dried enough now. So I applied that mascara for a good 5 minutes. So let's do the other eye. Alright, I'm going to scoot you guys even closer so you'll be able to see. Okay guys, so I've just scooched the camera even closer so you're able to see my eyes. Ignore my my smudged eyeliner. My eye just started watering and my eye pencil decided to smudge, so that's nice. Okay, so this side is with their real mascara. And this side is with the Bago Bang mascara. They both did perform very, very well. They did both hold a curl. Bago Bang mascara, and this one was their real mascara. So which one do you guys prefer? Drop me in the comments below. I'm going to zoom the camera out and I'll let you guys know my final thoughts and which mascara I think is better. Hello guys, I've just zoomed you guys back. So my final thoughts on the mascaras. So what can I say is different about them? So they're both a wet formula. I would say the Bago Bang is a lot more of a wet formula than this one. This one is wet, but this one I find dries much quicker than this one. This one I would say is a lot more on the lengthening side. This one is more on the volume side. So the big question is, which one's my favourite? What do I prefer? This is quite a hard one because I like both of them, but I guess if I had to pick one, I would probably say the Bago Bang mascara, only because I find I can build this up even when it's dry. I feel like I can build it up. Not too much though, because unfortunately when both of these mascaras are dry, they both do go clumpy, so you have to be a bit careful. But this one I preferred the results on the lower lash line, and I like the fact how quicker it built my lashes. Don't get me wrong, I do like this mascara. I do like how lengthening it is, so I like the fact how it lengthens my lashes. But personally, I'd go for more of this one. So I probably could use these mascaras together if I wanted to. Use this one for a bit of volume and then this one for a bit of length. So I could use them both together if I wanted to. If I had to choose one, I would probably say this one. But if you guys like this one, that's great. That's your preference. Like I said, I did like the length on this one. This one had really good length to this one. But I really did enjoy the volume on this one. So I liked both of them. They both performed really, really well. So yeah, I like both of these mascaras. And if I had to choose one, this one would be the winner in my eyes. So there we go. That is my opinion on the mascaras. So I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to hit that notification bell and share this video with your friends, whoever likes makeup. Let me know in the comments below which one is your favourite mascara. Which one out of these two is your holy grail? Let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.